In this video, I will guide you through the process of signing up for the Walmart affiliate program. Along the way, I will also discuss important details such as how to generate your affiliate link and the commission rates. To begin, we need to access the Walmart affiliate program. While it may not be easily found on Walmart.com, the quickest way to locate it is by searching Walmart affiliate program on Google. The first search result will direct you to the Walmart affiliates page. Upon scrolling down, you will find the option to sign up and get started as a Walmart affiliate. By signing up, you will be able to obtain referral links for your preferred products, promote them to your audience, and earn a commission when users click on your links and make a purchase. More information about the affiliate program can be found on the page, but our focus is on the sign-up process. You can find the sign-up button at the bottom of the page or at the top. After clicking on the sign-up button, you will be directed to a window where you need to provide your first name, last name, email, and password. Once you have filled in these fields, click Next to proceed. The next step requires you to enter your display name, which will be visible in your affiliate link, as well as a website. If you do not have a website, you can use a social media platform such as YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, or Instagram. Provide the relevant information and click Next to continue. You will then be asked about your main promotional method. In my case, it will be content creation, specifically reviews. As for the secondary promotional method, I will choose social media influencer. Lastly, you will need to specify the countries you plan to promote in. Once you have completed these steps, a message will appear confirming that your application has been submitted and that it will be reviewed shortly. If you do not receive any response, you have the option to apply through the Impact Affiliate Network. Surprisingly, this information is not available on the Walmart affiliates page, but Walmart actually runs its affiliate program through Impact. To access the Impact Affiliate Program, search Walmart Affiliate Program Impact on Google Fake page. You can find the commission rates by clicking on the provided link. If you click on Become a Member, you can sign up through Impact. Having an existing Impact account may expedite the approval process, but regardless, you can complete your Impact application on their website. Furthermore, you can review the contract and see that the commission rates range from 1 to 4. To proceed with the Impact application, you will need to accept the contract terms and click I approve the contract and want to continue. Afterward, your application will be submitted and reviewed. These are the two ways you can apply for the Walmart affiliate program and obtain your affiliate links either through Impact or directly from the Walmart affiliate program page.